is Agnes Zulu, and I'm the project coordinator of the current project that Sport Aid Development Trust is carrying out. Sport Aid Development Trust is a non-governmental organization that uses sport as a tool for development. This organization is based in Zambia and 5 provinces, which is the Lusaka province, the Western, the Southern, the Eastern, and the Central province as well. The basic objective of Sport Aid Development Trust is to use sport to bring about development to the communities, mainly to the young people, young girls in particular. This is because when we fill the young minds with a lot of literacy, there is a huge guarantee that there will be more development in the nations and the world at large in the years to come. And so, Sport Aid Development Trust came up with a project called the Girls Money Savvy through Sports Project. The intention of this project is to empower the young girls on financial literacy and entrepreneurship skills. This is because it has been observed that due to the lack of money, a lot of girls endow themselves in a lot of sexual activities, which exposes them to unprotected sex, because being a young girl, they are unable to demand for protected sex with their clients, who are in most cases older men, which is so sad, because this is something with co-prostitution, because young girls sell out their bodies in exchange for money just to meet their needs. And as we know, as a girl child is growing up, the needs increase as well. Putting menstrual hygiene in mind, there's a need of sanitary pads, there's a need of soap and other groceries. And so with the help of these girls money saving, a lot of girls' lives will be protected, because due to these vices, negative vices that these girls have indulged themselves into, there has been an increase in the rate of early pregnancies, as well as early marriages and sexually transmitted diseases. And so with the project at hand, a lot of girls will have the opportunity to raise their own money, for they will generate money from their own businesses, and they will learn to be independent instead of being dependent on the older men who eventually ask for sex in exchange of the money that they need. And it has also been observed that due to COVID-19, since there was a closure of schools, a lot of young people stayed home doing nothing, and because of that, because they didn't have anything to substitute for their academic work, they indulged in a lot of negative vices such as drug abuse, and as earlier mentioned, sexual activities, as well as violence, which is so sad. And after carrying out some research, we discovered that over 5,000 young girls fell pregnant during COVID-19. And so we believe that with the help of sport, in a situation like this where the world has an outbreak of a pandemic like COVID-19, a lot of young girls um, will have sport to utilize your time on. At least this is something that is positive, because through sports people learn to be determined and courageous, they learn to persevere. And so we believe that with the project at hand, the Girls Money Savvy through sports project, a lot of young girls will be able to utilize their time well. And I'm very proud to announce that currently we have managed to reach out to about 1,200 girls who have earned the financial literacy and using their time positively, because through sport they are able to identify and learn entrepreneurship skills, and they get financial literacy as well. So I believe with the help of sport and the project at hand, a lot of young girls' lives will be protected, and they will be able to use whatever time they have positively.